Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to unlock the full potential of your Firestick without spending a dime, you've come to the right place. Today, we're revealing the top free VPNs for Firestick in 2024. Now let's dive in. First things first, why do you even need a VPN for Firestick? Well, there are two main reasons: to bypass geo-restrictions and streaming content anonymously. Many apps like Netflix, Disney Plus, and Amazon Prime Video limit content based on your location. A VPN can make it look like you're anywhere in the world. Now let's talk about the best free VPNs you can use. We've tested them all and here are our top picks. Let's start with ProtonVPN. It offers unlimited bandwidth, which is a rarity for free VPN services. This means you can stream and browse without worrying about hitting a data cap. ProtonVPN uses state-of-the-art encryption, including AES 256 encryption, to ensure your online activities are secure. Plus, it follows a strict no-logs policy, meaning it does not track or store your online activity. Another great feature is its native app specifically designed for Firestick, making installation and use straightforward and user-friendly. Being based in Switzerland, ProtonVPN benefits from the country's strong privacy laws, adding an extra layer of protection for users. Next up, we have HideMe. It's known for its strong security features, including AES 256 encryption and robust protocols like OpenVPN and IKE v2 and IPsec, ensuring your data is safe from prying eyes. HideMe also adheres to a strict no-logs policy, guaranteeing that your browsing activities are not recorded or shared. Users of HideMe have enjoyed unlimited monthly bandwidth, which is beneficial for activities that consume a lot of data, like streaming and downloading. And the VPN has a user-friendly interface and can be easily installed on Firestick through the Amazon App Store, making it accessible even for non-tech savvy users. Lastly, HideMe provides round-the-clock customer support, ensuring that any issues you encounter can be resolved quickly. Finally, we have PrivadoVPN. It also uses 256-bit AES encryption, providing a high level of security for your internet connection, keeping your data safe from hackers and other malicious entities. The VPN has a dedicated app for Firestick, which can be easily downloaded from the Amazon App Store, simplifying the setup process. While the free version is limited, PrivadoVPN offers affordable premium plans that come with many additional benefits. Even with the free version, you get decent performance and a good level of security, making it a solid choice for Firestick users. With these three covered, setting up these VPNs on your Firestick is gonna be a breeze. Now let's go down through it step by step. First, you need to search for the VPN on your Firestick via the Amazon App Store. Next, click Get to install the VPN and enter your Amazon passcode if you're prompted to. Next, open the VPN app, enter your login details and connect to a server. With all these three steps covered, you find that using a VPN doesn't just unblock content, it also hides your IP address from your ISP. This means that your internet activity will remain private and can prevent ISP throttling. Plus, it's crucial for apps like Kodi and IPTV, where unauthorized streaming could get you into trouble. While free VPNs have their own perks, they come with limitations. Limited bandwidth, fewer servers, and slower speeds can be a pain. For a premium experience, you might want to consider paid options like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. They offer fast speeds, more server locations, and reliable streaming capabilities, as well as they have a free trial to offer, so you know what you're getting into. With that said, here are some tips to get the best out of your VPN on Firestick. Number 1. Always connect to the nearest server for better speed. Number 2. Restart your Firestick and VPN app if you experience any issues. And thirdly, keep your VPN app updated for the latest features and security patches. So there you have it, the best free VPNs for Firestick in 2024 and how to set them up. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and reviews. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions, or you want to let us know how these VPNs work for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.